Hello, my name is Michael Wheelwright. I'm a lead advisor and managing director for Holistic Finance, where money meets meaning. And I'm here today to give you a short presentation on our high yield cash account that Holistic Finance offers through our custodian bank, Altruist. I'll try to make this brief. I just want to cover the features and uses of the account. We do waive our usual assets under management fee. There are no transfer fees or annual fees. It's a very, very good place to put your short-term savings. So here is some details about it. Depending on when you watch this video, this interest rate may have changed. It is tied to the overall federal interest rate in the country. It's gone down a couple of times recently, could go up again. The nice thing about it, though, is compared to most of the leading competitors that offer high yield online savings account, similar to like American Express or Goldman Sachs, we've always had a few points over them. So we're really trying as a firm dedicated to our clients' best interest, being able to provide one of the top yielding high yield cash accounts for short-term savings is a really nice gift. It does have a higher FDIC insurance. Most banks are limited to only $250,000. Since Altruist works through many banks, they are able to increase that coverage. FDIC insurance means that this is just like a bank. There's no market risk. This is money that is federally guaranteed. The main reason is to treat it as your new and improved savings account, since the average savings account at the bank has such a small interest yield compared to a high yield cash or high yield online savings. Couple of things about it. There's no extra fees, as I mentioned. You have access to it 24/7. You're able to have multiple accounts. There are business accounts as well as joint or trust accounts when you need one. You have access to the money whenever you want. Please download the Altruist client app so that it's easy to use it and pull money in and out. Usually it's same day or next day when the cash will be transferred to and from your linked bank. There are no limits on transfers, just like the other high yield accounts. You can use them as much or as often as you want. The other thing we do for our clients is we use something called Altruist One. This is something that we pay a little bit extra for from the firm side to boost your yields. It usually grows it by either 0.25 or 0.3%. So right now this 3.2% that I mentioned is actually at 3.5 after we boost your account. So if we compare that to, say, a leading competitor like the American Express high yield savings account, they're at 3.4. That's what I've noticed, is that most of the leading competitor options are a little bit below the yield of what we're able to offer our clients. So feels like a really good place to keep your short-term savings. This is stuff that anything you might need money for in the next year, emergency savings, trips, fixing your car, things like that. You don't want to leave too much money in a high yield savings account, because eventually you'll want to move into investment accounts and retirement accounts to get the best overall plan in place. But this is an excellent spot for your short-term cash, and I hope you enjoy using it. I'll give you a quick example. It's so easy whether you're using your app or the online browser. We'll just give you a quick example here. Once you're in there, it does have like a 2FA security thing, but I think it only asks once a month. This is the home screen. You just click transfer funds, deposit into or withdraw from, and you say I want it from the cash to my bank, and boom, boom, and it's done. So it should be very convenient, very helpful for you. It's nice. Like I said, we waive our usual advisory fees, and there's no annual fees or transfer fees. Just should be your new and improved savings account to really support your long-term financial health. Thank you again so much for working with Holistic Finance to serve your financial needs, and we're looking forward to supporting you over the long haul. Have a beautiful day. And of course, let us know if you have any questions or concerns throughout the process of opening it or using it on the day-to-day. We are here for you. Thanks.